Alright, I got the old Diff here, so if anybody's after a 3.08 LSD Commodore sedan Diff, that's it. We'll be selling that. Well, I've already got it up for sale, so yeah. Bolted in the new Diff that I've just replaced all the bearings in. Got the, including the pinion gear and everything like that. We've got some second-hand upper control arms that are Petters, so they were still pretty good. Got some brand new lower control arms from White Line, and I've still got to bolt in the sway bar. Haven't done that yet, but figured we got everything connected. Give it a kick in the guts. So it's even got White Line springs from when we bought it. I still got to also bleed the brakes. Haven't done that yet. But yeah, figured give it a kick in the guts, see if I can hear any weird noises while it's in drive. We've replaced the alternator finally, because the old one decided to smoke itself up when we were at the dyno day, which is sitting down there. And it was the cause of our voltage draw for draining the battery every hour. So let's give it a kick in the guts and see how that Diff goes. Come on, there we go. Oh, fancy, nice dash. Look at that. Yeah. Nope. Car stalled. Okay. I'll sit that back in park. It appears that it's working. Can't hear any noises because the car's way too loud. But yeah, it's spinning. Didn't see any wobble in the pinion, which is good. Little spider running for his life because he's like, "What the fuck is this shit?" But yeah, so all we've got to do now is I've still got to wire up the air fuel meter into the exhaust, and got to change the shift light, because that's going off at like 2000 RPM. Sure want to shift a fair bit later than that. Matt's still got to hook up the oil pressure switch, which he's run the wires for, but just have to get the terminals. So I think the other thing we've got to do is bolt this down here. So we'll probably get to that. And yeah, I think, and it's drag racing on Sunday, so can't wait. I'll catch some of you guys there.